There's something I want to show you. Come here, come here, come here. Check this out. We've installed 3 rows of exterior skins and 7 windows, and we're almost done with the shell.
Welcome back to GeoJourney. This is episode 8. Last time, you saw the entire frame go up. Now, we're gonna show you windows and panels getting lifted and bonded into place. This is such an exciting moment to fully see the external structure completely coming together. It feels like it's really coming alive. So, without further ado, we'll take you over to Neil and learn more.
So this piece of equipment right here is called the sucker. It's called the sucker because it has these grabos that are suction cups that attach to the exterior skins and allow us to rotate the panels to the correct angle. We also use them for the windows as well. We have these safety straps just in case one of these grabos were to fail. They can each lift about 350 pounds and our panels only weigh maximum about 90 pounds. And this allows us to lift them up, rotate them in place, and then attach them onto the dome. Here we have bond rock. Bond rock is what bonds the exterior skins to the frame. We're mixing it on site, we're bringing it down. I'm so proud of my team for making this happen. We chose this color, the green and this sort of off red, to depict like a manzanita plant. So we wanted it to blend into the natural environment. So these 3 triangles here are all going to be windows. We have custom aluminum framed windows that we install in the same way that we're installing the exterior skins. Once they're temporarily attached, then we go ahead and bond rock them to the frame and they can become permanently installed.
Let's take a behind the scenes look at window assembly here in the Geoship factory. Come on down, I'll give you a closer look at what we're doing. So here at Geoship, we talk a lot about designing the home as a product, and part of that means redesigning every aspect of the home from the ground up. And one of the key components to do that with are windows. Right here is a insulated glass unit that has been encapsulated. And this is the smallest window that goes on our Amma dome. We have 6 different sizes and they get very big and beautiful. This window here is one of the largest windows on the dome. They're highly insulated glass to keep your home cool in the summer and warm in the winter. It is almost as tall as I am. It's huge. There's nothing in the middle obstructing your view. This is going to let tons of light in. We have 47 windows on the Amma model, most of which are this kind of size. What you see here is trim rings. They get assembled into full triangles, go on the outside, and they're color matched to match our exterior skins. These create a cohesive design and seal out the elements and attach our windows to the dome.
All right, so we've installed a lot of these lower windows, and then yesterday we got 5 of the highest level windows installed. We have to use boom lifts to support them as we're lowering them down in place. The windows that are down low here are easier because we can just tip them up and then we go ahead and seal them to the frames. I know this is kind of a funny camera angle, but I wanted to show you this pentagon that we completed yesterday. So this is row 7, this is the very top of the dome, and we installed 5 windows yesterday, which completes row 7.
So what you're seeing is way more than just panels going on a dome. This is truly years of research, testing, and relentless engineering refinement. Let's go over and chat with Misha so you can learn who is making this possible.
Phones used to look like this. Now we got this. Cars like this, and now this. Rockets were here, and now they land themselves. What do these game-changing companies, Apple, Tesla, and SpaceX, all have in common? They had world-class engineering teams that brought these visions to reality. So let me ask you something. What if the same engineers, designers, and scientists who made those breakthroughs are now doing the same thing to homes? Wouldn't that be something worth paying attention to? When we started Geoship, we were committed to finding the best engineers on the planet to bring this concept to reality. One of the very first people we brought on was Dolly Singh. Dolly Singh was the head of talent at SpaceX from 200 to 5,000 people, one of Elon's right-hand persons. She then went to Oculus and helped build out their team before they got acquired by Facebook. She's one of the top recruiters in the world. And she joined the Geoship mission to recruit an all-star engineering team. At the head of that team, we have Andrew James, a world-class product engineer that left the golfing industry after reinventing the golf club to work at Tesla. He designed and engineered the interiors of the Model 3. He was a leader on the team that built out the tent in the Tesla parking lot that got them out of production hell. By Andrew's side, we have Paul Choin, a legendary product engineer with experience at Tesla, at Honda, at Apple, before landing at Zoox. Zoox literally changed the game on self-driving cars. It was the first built from the ground up self-driving car in the market, and Paul was one of the top engineers at that company out of thousands of people. We got Kyle on our team, one of our senior product engineers. Before joining us, he was helping Elon at the Boring Company revolutionize how we're gonna move cars underground in tunnels. John Stoa, another rockstar engineer from Tesla, who played a key role in engineering the interiors on the Model 3. And last but not least, Craig Darian, our senior technical advisor, a championship-winning NASCAR engineer that gets recruited by Tesla and played a key role in chassis engineering and vehicle dynamics for the launch of the Model S. He actually delivered several of the very first Model S to their very first customers. With a dynamic team like this, think about what we could do in the housing industry, productizing the home to bring healthy, quality, sustainable homes that are good for the planet and good for you. Homes that people love, homes that people are gonna love to share with their friends. Having a world-class team like this is exactly what you need to go from a startup with a product and a vision to delivering a product at scale that's gonna change the world. We've got the talent that we need to make this dream a reality. So follow our journey and watch as we transform what housing can and should be. Thanks for being here with us. We'll see you on the next episode.